Recently, one of our subscribers at Doorstep Tutor raised a very interesting query on UGC NET Archaeology course, and this was from the paper 2012, where there was a question: who is the author of the book Indian Paleography? Now note, if you have read and covered the concept of Indian archaeology carefully, you would say yes, G. Buller is the correct answer, but some would say no, Dani is the correct answer. Now you might wonder, both of them have written the same book, Indian Paleography, then why this question? And this is a controversial question. Now note, this is not a controversial question, rather this is a very interesting and a tricky question. Note, the book Indian Paleography with the word paleo here including A is the one which is written by A.H. Dhani. However, there is another book which is Indian Paleography which does not include the word A here, it just says LEO, and this is the book which is being written by G. Buller, and this was in 1904. So check the spelling of the word very carefully when this question arises. This is a really tricky question for students for archaeology, and these kind of challenging questions could be part of your examination for future. So prepare for your archaeology well. We have the complete resource here with more than 2000 practice questions across each of the topic, and of course for paper 1 you can take help from our postal course material which is available here. Thanks for joining in. We'll be bringing many such topics and awareness for you before your examination, so practice well, prepare well, and of course these type of concepts not only just apply to your archaeology but to other disciplines as well. So be very focused for your study, and of course you might have heard and we might also have emphasized that the paper pattern recently has become difficult, but of course if we dive back 10 years, 15 years back, this was a question from 2012, we can see difficult and tricky questions there as well. But of course the latest pattern shows a more diversity and recent researches which are part of your examination. So prepare well, practice well, have a great day ahead.